Oh God, welcome back, broskies and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, to another reaction video. You know what we do over here, and if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you to the channel. Here, we laugh, we smile, we have fun, we chill, we vibe, we just watch funny comedy skits from TikTok. So grab a seat and let's check out these videos together. And if you want to be part of the family, you already know what to do. All you gotta do, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we put a video up in here. So having said that, let's get straight into the video.
Bro, I did. You look tired. One drink water now. If you drink. Yes, drink.
Guy, you've saved this so.
Yeah! Omo, you tasty. Drink this one. Thank you. Omo. Guy. God bless you. We go see. Go see now, boss. Bring my water. What be this? What be this? Let me get for this thing now. Patience. There are bushes around. Yes! Mommy, give me another drink. Don't say mine don't like I swear to God, mine don't Take drink. Thank you, bro. Drink it. Drink more. Mind the rush. Oh yeah, no drink. Oh yeah, drink.
What's it now?
Let's get it. How about?
Mommy, my change. When?
Yes! Almost. Oh, don't make I put this. Yes!
Home at last.
It is time. Yes! 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 Yes!
Alright, so let's take a stroll. Then I'll see you later.
Alright now.
That's a long time.
They go now.
Bye.
Yes! They go.
Yes!
Wow.
What be this? What be this? Jesus Christ. Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Finish up. Blood of Jesus.
Oh no, not when your crush, not when your crush is around. Oh my God, why? For what? What was the reason? Ain't that crazy? Where sometimes you be like really like you be pressed, but when you almost home and then you get super pressed to the point where you can't even hold it no more. Like almost at the end, that's when it becomes too hot to handle and you can't even handle it. That's crazy, bro.
Like, why you today your house now? This guy.
Guy, lights don't cost.
Stingy like every time. Yeah, that beans we mom see cook. I check freezer and see.
I want friends that get too comfortable in your house. Yeah, he's way too comfortable.
Like, why now? I'm saying anything I go use chow the bread. Guy, I know say I don't tell you. I beg. I don't book babe Wednesday. Let me clear your room. I beg. Hi, ciao. Ate. Guy, what do they do?
Nah, they come and the sheets.
What type of planning?
And they come.
You don't see that.
Yeah, it'd be like.
Guy, bring my pots now.
He disappeared. Bro.
Yo, madam.
See the new maid.
Yes.
Where's the madam?
Your small madam. My dog.
Dad, is this why you called me?
Where's the madam?
You can go and begin your work.
Why are you so late? You're too fine to be a maid. You're a maid. Fine.
Thank you.
What's going on?
It was just a test. At least now I can trust you not to touch my daughter. Go on with your work.
See, if you don't come here right now, tell my husband you tried to touch me.
Tell him. You can tell him. I'm tired. I'm leaving this house. I'm leaving this house.
This is just another test. Now I can trust you with my wife and my daughter.
No, they tempt me.
It is. Lord of Jesus. Give me this. What have you done?
They play. Just they play.
You did this to me.
Keep tempting me and you are next.
Bro said, keep tempting me and you're next. Bro got no choice. Anyone can get it. Anybody can get it. Violent session. Bro doesn't have a choice. I ain't got no choice. What?
Now Joe be that now.
Why are you doing?
Oh, cause so truth or dare?
There.
I dare you to kiss me. Yeah! You can't dare for yourself.
If you reach your turn, you dare, you make your own dare. This is not acting, they really doing it. They keep to do it. They're standing on business.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
So tell me, when last did you get laid?
Like 4 months ago.
Stop it!
So, general truth or dare?
Dare. Dare.
I think it's about us.
So that's the guy that be enjoying the whole thing. I feel it too from here. Electric.
To you. Truth or dare?
Truth, I'm tired of this dead thing.
So tell us, what's your darkest secret?
I'm transgender, guys.
Jesus! Jesus!
I'm transgender.
Plot twist.
Like you used to be gay.
Yeah, plot twist.
Little Toby boy.
I was a guy, then I cut it off to become a woman.
Plot twist. He was just enjoying the whole thing, bro. Plot twist.
That's the least.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
There's more.
Jesus!
What a plot twist, bro.
Come, John. Why are you scared? So you believe in all this ghost and all this thing? It's just a mere bush.
It's not even a bush, bro. It's not even a bush.
That's why we are called men.
It's just a bee. A baby bush.
Run.
Run.
Accept the blood of Jesus.
Oh, man. If you know, you know.
Dis-moi ce que tu veux et arrête de te comporter bizarrement.
Oh, okay. Listen. She just said whatever she said in French. I don't know if y'all know this, but it gets me in some kind of way. You feel me? So in this whole video, I don't know how I'm gonna react whenever she speaks French because it just gets me.
Possible.
Notable? What are you saying, bruh?
Dis-moi ce que tu veux. Si c'est le sexe que tu veux, dis-le-moi. Arrête de te comporter comme un enfant.
Sorry. I'm so sorry about that. I respect your decision.
It's like melodies in my ear, like I'm not even playing, bruh.
I don't know if you probably agree.
Si tu ne peux pas parler, moi je m'en vais. Mais c'est quoi ça? Tu veux partir et tu ne vas plus jamais me revoir.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
And she's packing as well. She speaks French.
Hard to get.
She's fine and she's packing as well. What more do you want?
Okay, I come. I'll call you back. Babe, have fun. Excuse me. Good evening. Happy New Year and more.
Happy New Year and more.
What's your name? Alima, not be lie. Say her name be like ice cream.
What?
Sweet for man. To be orange, Alima. I know feel you before I dey chop you.
Hmm.
That's you new for this area, abi. Wow, what a newcomer. Anyhow, the beach, I be foundation for this area. You
That's a
understand?
Beanie
So
boy.
I solid the whole and you like know my name, Abi. My name calls to Alima, my name, na movement man and more. You understand? That more na etc. Many things where they follow me. Alima, stop.
See how she's smiling, bro. See how she's smiling. Look at that. Look at that big old smile. If you can make a lady smile like this, you've already won her over. Like you've already gotten her, like bro. She's already head over heels in that. She's already having butterflies in her stomach. She's already planning a wedding. She's already seen her having 3 kids with you, bro. Look at the bright smile on her face. Come on now. You ladies, you know you want this. You know if a man can make you feel like this, you know, like you. Hello? Breakfast in bed type shit. Come on now, don't play.
Don't be lying. Alima, I want to
ah,
toast you. Come closer now.
come.
I thought say I dey toast you so.
He got the line. I'm sorry for anyone who doesn't understand pidgin English, like the Nigerian patois, Nigerian slang. He's speaking lines, bro. He got the reeds. He got the pigeon reeds. That's the pigeon reeds god right there.
I want start toasting so. I want bust your bubble. I dey be.
See how
Alima,
she's
see your
smiling,
beauty
bro.
now. Turn around now. Mind see your beauty. Say 360 now. Circumference beauty.
Circumference
Wow.
beauty is
What a
wild.
queen and more. Any Asha, Alima, I don't know why they be. I don't see the where you they go right now. You want collect something for France. Okay, stress no dey. But Alima, something be in my mind though. I don't know whether you get up for mind to run twins for me. Oh. You're in my mind though. Something say you do twins for me. How they be? Correct now, not be lie. Oh. As I dey see you, if you be mango, I don't wash you before I dey shop you. If I saw. Because like this now, they consider whether I used to do baby mama or whether I put money for you. Which one you prefer?
Give her options, bro.
That's how they met me. Oh. Not be like the senior man, but it's like I feel like baby. You understand?
Oh
Worldwide
God.
Alima. Don't be like. Alima, anyway, check me now. I want to feel you. I'm not saying when you come closer, I'm a very nice guy. Oh. I'm soft, I'm fragile. Don't be loud. Alima, see your beauty,
Oh
they
God.
cry. Uh-uh. See your hip, they ring bell. What, Alima? Ah, what a beauty, what a beauty. Alima, beauty, they cry now. Alima, what a beauty. See beauty now. Not be like, again, Alima, body, Alima, beauty, don't shook. You said
Oh,
there, how far they
oh.
be. Bang, man, you get what I said. Don't be like, Alima. Like this, if I
Because
saw, how
she,
might they help you back?
bro, she can't even take it no more. The hyping is too much. The hyping is crazy, bro. She already fell, got back up, fell again, got back up, fell again, bruised her knees, everything, bro. He already got her like this. Damn, he got
To
lines though.
back. How they color your fallopian tube, if I saw. I they been, give me your code.
Bro said, "I want to do whatever to your fellow." Wait, what did he say? I want to allow your fallopian tube.
This, if I saw, how might they help you back to back? How they color your fallopian
I
tube,
want
if
to
I
allow your
saw. I they been,
fallopian
give me your
tube.
code now, yeah. Dial line, yeah, so that I feel they navigate you, you understand? If I want to run your
How do
compound,
people
if I saw.
come up with something like this,
Give me
bro?
your code now.
Damn.
You know they love you so. Alima, not be like your safety is sure 100 oh. You walk around theory for night. Understand? Give me that vital. Give me that smell they wounds me oh. I don't wear bulletproof for Alima. You want bump my not be lie. If I tell Alima, it's sharp like this now. You understand so? So tomorrow is the D-Day now, you understand? 100 for you. More you officially start the team tomorrow now. More you're gonna kick off around 2 as every idiot. Like you back to back, bumper to bumper. What Alima? There we miss.
What Alima? It didn't feel like acting at all. It felt like it happened right there. Nah, bro got lines, bro. That's Nigerian pigeon raised right there. Yeah.
Oh my days, you are more worried too.
Wait, wait, what? What just happened?
Oh my days, you are more worried too. He shot you.
But why? Why though? I don't get it. I think he had beads around his waist. Could that be the reason? Nah, that was crazy, bro. Could it be the
Hi
beads
guys,
around his
we are the
waist?
venue of a very big movement, newly founded in the art of Lagos. But before I talk too much, I want you to hear from the horse's mouth themselves. Let's go, guys. Hi, good afternoon. What exactly are you guys doing here?
Actually, we fear women.
Obirin, you know they trust you, man.
Jesus.
They trust you, man. Woman, you never see anything.
So women are scarier than terrorists,
Why?
lions, and everything.
Why not? After so many heartbreaks, pain, agony, suffering,
True.
we decided to come together to start fearing women.
Woman, you never see anything.
I also read something online that you guys are accepting blind people.
You don't have to see them to fear them.
They trust you, man.
You guys seem so dedicated to this. Don't you have something else to do with your time?
I am a medical doctor. Okay. I work 4 hours a day and I sleep 2 hours a day.
What happens to the remaining 18 hours?
I use it to
Fear women.
fear women.
With this movement, where do you guys see yourselves in 5 years?
Well, we have the vision of going global, but right now we have people all around the world already joining and supporting the movement. From Canada.
My fear for women started 4 years ago. When my eyes saw what my mouth can't speak.
Ghana.
Fear women. You know what Akosia do to me? You know what Ama do to me? You know what Abna do to me? Because one slow about the other just one slow motion.
This is plain.
Because I also want to be slow about, so slow about the also want to be slow motion.
Precious, you.
I know what I've been into.
India.
So you guys don't believe in love.
India.
So you guys don't believe in love.
We don't do that here.
Love is such a beautiful thing. Love of my life.
Yeah, love is a beautiful thing until it shows you Pepe, right? And then you go and learn.
This man! Oh, you at the market. I'll call you right back. I don't want to disturb you. She's at the market. I don't want to disturb her. I'll call her back. Yeah, as I was saying, it's not too late. You can still retrace your steps. Oh, love is so beautiful. You can still find love. Yes. Say yes. Oh, say yes. Yes. Love is in the air. Yes. Yes.
What if he's saying say yes, and then the girl being proposed to is his girlfriend?
Oh, beauty. Babe.
Not be juju be that. Fear women. Obirin.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Fear women.
Oh, beauty.
You know they trust you, man. Woman, you never see anything.
It's first time.
So
Welcome to the club. It's his first time.
because of my age, my family members are now pressurizing me to bear children, to become a daddy. This means I should get a wife. But before getting a wife, I should work hard, get a job, and build a house. The problem is that after marriage, if we are to get any challenges or disputes and we divorce, all that I've worked hard for, whether she has contributed or not, we should share it 50%. God forbid. And women of this generation are not easy.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
The only solution is to remain lazy. Remain in my rental as I continue looking for one of those ladies that say they can love a man just the way he is.
Will you
Wow, wisdom. We are surely moving.
No problem. God will see us. There is God.
We move.
That's true. We move. I can understand his perspective because there be ladies that be like, "Oh, I don't care about how much he makes. I don't care about this. I don't care about that. I love a man. I'll help a man grow." Type shit. Type shit. You know. And he's looking for one of you out there who's ready to build and start from the scratch. You know, start from nothing and grow your way up the way to something. So if you're a girl out there, there's a man for you. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this one like I did. And if y'all did, y'all know what you're supposed to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, and everything. All of that. You know what to do. And I'll see you guys on the other video, man. It's been great making these videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.